Need to replace the Palmrest touchpad on your Latitude 9520? Well, I'm going to show you how. And if you need to find specific replacement parts for yours, visit us at partspeople.com and enter your 7-character Dell service tag found on the bottom of your laptop.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Grab a Phillips number 1 and a plastic scribe. If you need either of those or your Dell replacement part, I'll leave a link for those down below. First, loosen the bottom base screws. Now use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Then unscrew and disconnect the battery. Now unscrew and disconnect the cooling fan. Then lift the heat shield and unscrew and remove the heatsink. Now unscrew and slide out the solid-state drive. Unscrew the Wi-Fi bracket and disconnect the antenna cables. Now unscrew and remove the display cable bracket. Then disconnect the LCD cables using a plastic scribe to unclip them where necessary. Now unscrew and remove the LCD screen. Use a plastic scribe to unclip the motherboard cable shown here. That way you can access the speaker cable when you pull it out. Now unclip and remove the speaker cable. Unscrew and remove the speakers. Then you'll disconnect the input-output circuit board once again using a plastic scribe to unclip them. And now unscrew and remove the input-output circuit board. Then disconnect the motherboard cables using a plastic scribe to unclip them where necessary. Finally, unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now use a plastic scribe to unclip and disconnect the keyboard cables. Then unscrew and remove the keyboard. The remaining piece is the Palmrest touchpad assembly. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is. The reassembly process is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.